Hey guys, my name's Isaac. You're watching Apple Hipster, I guess. I used to be a hipster, but now I'm like a little bit. We're gonna go over design, camera, main internals, other hardware, release, storage options, everything you could possibly imagine. Starting with design. We're gonna get an iPhone 8-like design, no major redesign, nothing too exciting. It's gonna be a 4.7-inch LCD display with 326 ppi with 625 nits of brightness. There have been no reports on colors. We're gonna get a space gray, silver, assumed, and then possibly a product red or a gold. There have been no reports, so that's pure speculation. Camera, we're gonna be getting a single lens camera. It's gonna be the same main lens you see on the iPhone 11, 12 megapixels, probably 4K 60 FPS, 7 megapixel front camera. The back is gonna have portrait mode, brighter flash, and possibly a new design. Main internals, we're gonna get the A13 Bionic processor. That's great to hear. Was really thinking we'd end up with the A12, but we get the same processor the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro got. That's pretty great. We're gonna get 4 gigabytes of RAM. That's fine. Moving on to other, we're gonna be getting Touch ID. Not a whole lot to, pretty assumed. Got a home button right there. IP67 water resistance. That's fairly good. With haptic touch. Moving on to storage pricing, it looks like we're gonna get a $449 base model with 64 gigabytes, and then you can get 128, you can double the storage for an additional $50 to $499, all in USD. Releasing, there's gonna be no announcement. It's gonna kind of go under the radar, just like all of their products that aren't very exciting, like the latest iPad mini, iPod Touch, AirPods Pro, and their 16-inch MacBook Pro. Production is in February with a release of March. No specific dates have been leaked or anything like that, but hopefully as we get closer to the date, we will get an exact release. I'm realizing my videos are fairly short, so I kind of like it short and sweet, get right to the point, unlike a lot of other tech videos. But if you want me to go a little bit more in depth for reasoning in the future, just a little longer, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.